Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from Hadi Tech back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing one of the best and easiest methods to actually make money online, which is selling digital products on huge marketplaces such as G2G, which is the website that we're gonna be covering today. I've never actually made a video about digital products, but there is like multiple aspects that we need to discuss or talk about. So I will be actually dividing this video into multiple parts, but this is the first part, and we're gonna be talking about how you can first and foremost do some product research and list that products on G2G, and most importantly, whether you can make money or not by selling on this website. Before we jump into this video, as usual, kindly drop a like, comment down below. That will actually help us immensely. As you know, like we are just starting YouTube, and we do truly appreciate every like and subscribe that you guys give us. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's just start with our video today. G2G is single-handedly one of the best and largest marketplaces that you can list your digital stuff on. If you don't want to build a website or build a store, I should say, spend money on ads, you just want to just get straight to the point and start selling digital products, then you can do this on G2G. Let me just show you the stats of the traffic of this website. So if we go and click on similar web extension, you will see here that G2G pulls around 4.6 million monthly visits. So that's a huge traffic on a monthly basis. Also, if we look the source of this traffic, as you can see, is just top tier traffic. Mostly is from the US and Germany, UK, and France. So this is a top tier website, like I said, that you can use your advantage to actually make some money. So as you can see, we have multiple categories here. We have gift cards, games, software, apps, payment cards, game coins, etc. So it's just essentially digital products only. So if you want to start actually by selling stuff on G2G, you need to actually find some source, or I should say sources, to get those accounts, those pins, those digital products for a cheaper price, then resell them on G2G. So the first website that you can take a look at, it's called Kinguin. All right, it has a wide variety of stuff, from games to keys to software to subscriptions to a lot of things. As you can see, we have genres here. We got the PSN cards. We got some accounts here for games. We got some platform. We want to filter by platform. They got Steam, Ubisoft, EA apps, all of that stuff in here. We got in-game goods or in-game currency as well. We got even some hot trending or upcoming releases when it comes to games. If you want some software, if you're talking about like digital products, as in like subscription softwares, you can also go to the software section, and as you can see, they have multiple things in here, and all of these accounts and all of these pins are actually legit, and they are refundable too. This website actually offers refunds if there is some defective things or issues with keys or accounts or whatever you buy from Kingwin. So rest assured that you are getting top quality stuff from this marketplace as well. So like I said, there's multiple things, and yeah, as you can see, and I'm showing you, there's even subscriptions for Adobe Creative Cloud, Windows 11 keys, some antiviruses, also softwares in here. What you need to do is look for something. Let's say, for example, this one, hide my ass, Pro VPN. Let's look at in G2G. Let's see like what the competitors are offering. If we can really list this product, and if we can make money from it. So let's just look up, for example, HMEA. Okay, we have HMEA Pro VPN, and let's just click on it and check. As you can see, yes, we cannot really compete with these type of stuff, because they are so dirt cheap, and yeah, never mind, like we cannot really compete with VPNs. So essentially what you need to do is just pick a product, or try to actually find a product that you can list, and you can make money from, just by actually going and checking what the other competitors are offering on G2G. And I do recommend starting with games. Games are the top earners in my experience. Like, I've started with this, and I've actually chose games, and specifically in currency games as well. So what you need to do is just top up in-game currencies most of the times, or sell game accounts. So let's just say, for example, FC Sports 25. This one. Let's just take it for example. It's 2022 bucks, and apparently, let's just go to G2G and double check. Let's just type in FC 2025 or 25. Let's just do accounts. Let's look for accounts because I suppose this is an account because Kinguin actually sells accounts. Yeah, this is an account. As you can see, yes, there's multiple accounts. They range from $27 or $28 up to 78, or I should say $79. So this probably could be one of them. So if you want to list like a game account, a fresh new game account, this could be one. As you can see, the initial price is $22, and you can sell it for like, I don't know, 40 or something like that. Yeah, it could be. And this is just one example. You could do more research in Kinguin, look for some decent games that you can list, or like I said, even currencies like in-game currencies that you can top up and list them on G2G. But hold on a second, there's multiple websites that you can source from. The next website that you can use is called WM Center, and it does sell digital pins and digital accounts for cheap, and they are legit, by the way, so you don't need to actually worry. So let's just, for example, look up Discord, okay, because I was actually typing it in here. And yeah, let's just look up Discord subscriptions. We have here Discord server boost from like 1 to 3 to 12 months and plus warranty. And yeah, it's selling for like $0.5, like a half a dollar. And look at this. Also, we have another one in here that is actually selling for like $1.5, and yeah, it ranges from $1 to $5 essentially. So let's just look that up. Let's just look this one, okay? Discord Nitro Classic 1 month gift. Okay, so this essentially is a gift. So let's look that up in G2G. Let's type in Discord. Okay, software and apps. Okay, and as you can see, we have Discord Nitro membership for 5.5, and yeah, you can use this one. You can actually resell these subscriptions, and yeah, just source them from WM Center and resell them in G2G. So like I said, I'm just giving you examples. You can do your own research. You just need to actually find something that is scalable, and just buy it in bulk, and just essentially resell it in G2G, and make sure it's actually high quality. Otherwise, you will get banned in G2G because they don't like if you scam the clients. So yeah, you don't need to actually do that. You need to actually find a source. Let's just say, for example, this guy, you just talk to him. If he gives you if he like provides decent activation links, you just tell him that you want to buy stuff in bulk, agree on a price, buy all of that, then yeah, resell those in G2G. So like I said, the research is just up to you. You just go to one of these websites. It's either like Kinguin or WM Center, and also there is one more last website that I need to actually discuss or mention. It's called CGD Keys. It also sells multiple keys in gaming stuff, and software stuff, in productivity. It does even sell subscriptions such as Spotify, Netflix, and all of that. So use these websites to actually find something that is scalable, that does not have a lot of competition in G2G, and get hold of it and just scale that. All right. So these links will be in the description down below. This is again just an initial video to actually kickstart this whole make money thing with digital products. Okay. So if you want more of these videos, then let me know. So let's just move on to the next step, and let's just talk about actually listing an offer. So if you found an offer, all you need to do is just go here, create your account, validate your account, and yeah, upload the whole documents, your personal documents, because they need that to verify it's actually you and you are serious about selling on their platform. Once you do that, head to the selling tab and click on create offers, and in here you can create the offers that you want to list. All right, so let's just, for example, I want to list an account that I'm trying to sell, like a game account. I'll just go here and select games, select anything from that drop down menu, and yeah, let's just select the subcategory in here. Let's just it's not digital pins, let's just do accounts. It's an account. If you have a digital pin, just select digital pin. Okay, In here, you need to actually select the platform, if it is Steam or if it is actually on like a different account. So let's just do FC, okay, 25. Let's type that DC. Let's just type in FC 25, just like that. Click continue because we were just looking at FC 25, and it will tell you in here the platform. So let's just do PC. Put in the title. Let's just put the title. Let's just, for example, put this one here. Control V. And as for the description, you need to actually go all the way down and look for the requirements or the key activation or whatever in here. Usually they will tell you how to activate the account. So this is how the account should be activated. You need to actually list this in here too. This is description, and if you wanna add your own stuff, then you can do that in here as well. Once you do that, all you need to do is just attach some media stuff gallery. All you need to do is just put in a link in here or upload it yourself. Then put the price in here. Let's just, for example, if you are actually buying this account for $22, let's just list it for like 30. And as for the delivery method, all you need to do is just select manual delivery, not auto delivery. And yeah, give yourself some time to actually deliver that as well. So let's just do 1-to-1, and delivery speed should be up to 24 hours. And you need to actually double check or cross check that with the seller or the source that you are buying these accounts from. Okay, and yeah, once you are done, select if it is actually global or if it is like region oriented, and yeah, just click finish. Once you do that, it will show in manage your offer tab. Okay, that's how actually you list stuff on G2G. It takes a couple of minutes. Moderators need to actually check your offer. If it is good, it will be listed shortly. So like I said, guys, this is just a video explaining the whole premise of this business model. If you want to actually make some money, all you need to do is just do some research, hit these 3 websites that I've told you about. Look for something that is not that does not have a lot of competitors, and list whatever that you can find and you can scale on G2G, and just get to work. If you want to see a follow-up to this video, then let me know down in the comments. I will be glad to do so. And that's that for our video. If you liked it, drop a like. If you did not, then dislike this video. You're free to do so. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.